Imagine sitting in your living room, the sun setting outside, and you realize something feels different. Your smart home isn't just reacting to you anymore, it's anticipating you. This is the promise of 2026, a year that Apple has circled on its internal calendars as the ultimate turning point for the domestic ecosystem. For 5 years, the original HomePod Mini has sat on our shelves, a cute, colorful, but ultimately aging piece of tech that was first introduced when the world looked very different. But today, we are standing on the precipice of a total brain transplant for the smart home. The whispers from the supply chain are no longer just whispers, they're a roar. The HomePod Mini 2 isn't just a sequel. It's a redefinition of what a $99 device can actually do when it's powered by the most advanced silicon on the planet. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, let's peel back the curtain on the Project B525, the internal codename for the device that is about to make every other smart speaker in your house feel like a relic from a bygone era. What makes 2026 so special? To understand where we are going, we have to look at this silicon leap. For the last half-decade, the HomePod Mini relied on the S10 chip, the same heart beating inside the Apple Watch Series 5. It was efficient, sure, but it was never meant to handle the heavy lifting of a modern AI-driven world. The HomePod Mini 2 is rumored to skip several generations entirely, jumping straight to the S10 silicon. Why does this matter to you? It means zero latency. If you've ever said, "Hey Siri, turn on the lights," and waited those agonizing 3 seconds while the spinning white light pondered its existence, you know the frustration. With the S10, that processing happens locally. No more round trips to a server in Virginia. The command is understood and executed before you've even finished the sentence. This is the debut of Apple Intelligence in the most intimate corners of our homes. We aren't just talking about better timers. We're talking about a speaker that understands context, tone, and the specific needs of your household without ever compromising your privacy. But the upgrades aren't just hidden under the hood. Let's talk about the physical presence of this device. While Apple is sticking to the iconic mesh-covered ball aesthetic that we've grown to love, the 2026 model is bringing a refined acoustic architecture. Inside, the full-range driver is being overhauled with a high-excursion woofer system inspired by its larger sibling, the full-sized HomePod. This means deeper, richer bass that doesn't distort at high volumes, a feat of engineering for something that stands just 3.3 inches tall. And for the first time, we are hearing reports of room sensing technology coming to the Mini. By using the S10 chip and an array of 4 upgraded microphones, the HomePod Mini 2 will be able to map the acoustics of your room in real time. Whether it's tucked away in a bookshelf or sitting in the middle of a marble countertop, the speaker will adjust its EQ to ensure the sound is crisp, clear, and immersive. This is spatial audio for the masses, delivered in a package that fits in the palm of your hand. One of the most exciting leaks regarding the 2026 lineup is the deep crimson colorway. Apple knows that these devices are as much about home decor as they are about technology. Alongside the classic midnight and white, we are expecting sage green and a vibrant sunrise orange to join the palette. These aren't just colors, they're statements. But the real magic happens when you bring your iPhone near it. The introduction of a U2 Ultra wideband chip, the same tech found in the latest iPhones, is going to revolutionize Handoff 2.0. Imagine walking into your kitchen, and your music transitions from your AirPods to the HomePod Mini 2 with a precision we've never seen. No more searching for device pop-ups. It's an invisible thread connecting your mobile life to your home life. And then there is the secret feature that has the tech community buzzing: enhanced security mode. For years, the HomePod has been able to listen for smoke alarms, but the 2026 model takes this to a professional grade. Leak code suggests that the HomePod Mini 2 will act as the ears of a broader Apple home security ecosystem. It can detect the sound of breaking glass, a dog barking excessively, or even the specific cadence of an unrecognized voice when you aren't home. Integrated with the rumored 2026 Apple home security cameras, these speakers become a mesh network of protection, all while keeping the data encrypted and local. It's a bold move to challenge the dominance of Amazon's Ring and Google's Nest, and it's one that prioritizes the one thing Apple users value most: their privacy. But perhaps the biggest reason why the HomePod Mini 2 is the most anticipated gadget of 2026 is its role as a Matter controller. As the smart home industry finally settles on a unified standard, Apple is positioning the Mini 2 to be the ultimate bridge. With a new N1 networking chip, this device will support Wi-Fi 6E and Thread networking with unprecedented stability. The device not responding error that has plagued HomeKit users for years is finally being addressed at a hardware level. This isn't just about controlling Apple products. It's about being the brain that manages your smart blinds, your connected fridge, and your non-Apple light bulbs with seamless ease. Apple is making a play for the center of your life, and they're doing it by offering a device that is affordable, powerful, and incredibly smart.